It has been over a year since I bought my sealskin car cover. And I want to give you guys an update on what it looks like. And I'm not going to make you wait. I'm going to show you right now. There she be. And she's seen better days. It's actually been closer to 2 years that I installed this guy on this truck. And it's seen a lot. It's actually been through 2 hurricanes, a tropical storm, some severe afternoon weather, and the stupidly intense Florida sun. If you've never been to Florida, the sun here, it just decimates all. And if you remember what this guy looked like brand new, it was blue. So she's faded just a little bit. But, you know, maybe there's some good sides. Let's take a closer look. Let's find out, is she still stretchy? How well does she still fit the truck? I mean, the elastic, you still got a little bit of a there, but it's pretty worn out now. She is now powdery and icky, kind of flaking off. You can see all the little cracks and stuff like that, but she's still whole, at least up here, she's whole. The clips that were still to hold this in place still suck. Had to zip tie them on to keep them on there. The biggest question of all, is it still waterproof? No, it's not. Let's see underneath. Nope, completely wet. It's not waterproof anymore. Fine, maybe the coating wore off. But I mean, she's still intact until you get to my new hole here. That is definitely, it started off right here and then grew to this, and then yeah, this is where we're at. But I bought this because it has a lifetime warranty. This is where this video is going to get a lot more interesting. Right out and say, I never expected this car cover to last a lifetime or anywhere close to even 5 years. The fact that it deteriorated as fast as it did is a problem, given it has a lifetime warranty. But that also being said, it lasted longer than any other car cover I've actually put on this truck before, or any other vehicle I've dealt with over the years. The car is getting full sun the second the sun comes up, all the way till it sets. There's no tree, nothing blocking it from anything, along with the salt in the air, because I'm not that far from the beach. I'm a few miles, but the salt does reach over here and causes things to deteriorate and dry out and rust. The fact that she's still on the car, which it blew off a few times, but for most part on the car, most of the time, I give it a thumbs up. So good job, Sealskin. Processing the warranty claim was kind of a pain in the butt. Now, it wasn't actually difficult. It was just convoluted. A lot of extra steps for, I don't know why we didn't do all these in one, or maybe 2 steps. Sealskin, if you're watching, take some notes here, because I feel this is somewhere you could do a little bit better. But was it really bad? No, but you always can do better. Right off the bat, you need to have your receipt. No big deal, kind of standard for warranty stuff, especially anything with a lifetime warranty. You gotta have your receipt. I had them email me the receipt when I ordered it, and I have a separate folder in my email for stuff like that, specifically for this purpose, so I don't have to deal with that, and I can always have access to it and never delete it. Yay. So it wasn't a huge deal. I go to the website, look up where to process the claim, which took me 2 seconds. It wasn't hard to find at all. And they ask you for 5 things. They ask you for your name, your order number, your SKU number, your reason for the claim, which would be tear in my case, because they don't warranty fading from the car cover, which, all right, that's fine. I get it. And notes on why you're putting this claim in. No problem, except for the fact nowhere on my receipt is a SKU number, and nowhere on their webpage could I find a SKU number either for this car cover or any other cover that I went looking for. So you're asking me for a number that is not on your webpage. So why is this a thing? I thought that was a little weird. So I copied the model of the car cover I bought, the name, and just pasted it in there from their webpage and said, this is what I got, and made a note in there going, I don't know where to find the SKU number for this thing. I don't see one on your webpage anywhere, but I'm putting this claim because it's torn. That's fine, all's good. I submit that. I get the automated email like 2 seconds later going, hey, we're going to process your claim. Somebody will get with you in 24 to 48 hours. All right, cool. That's awesome. Like an hour later, I get another email stating, hey, I'm this person. We're going to help you process this claim. All right, cool. Can you please send us pictures and the SKU number for this thing? You'll find the SKU number along the seam of the car cover. Okay, let me go show you guys where this number was. So the tag is located right around, there you are. So apparently I've had this car cover on backwards for these past 2 years. So this is the tag that says front, which I didn't know that it had a tag that said front and back, because this is tiny. So it's been on backwards, but that's fine, because when I looked at the car cover, it didn't really matter. But the problem I have here is this is where you find the SKU number. As you can see, it's rubbed out. This is nothing there. So I gave them this section that I had and hoped for the best. So it was pretty easy to process this part. Took a picture with my phone, put in the part of the SKU number that I had, and resubmitted it. And then they go, okay, we're gonna honor this warranty. Great, I hope you would. You have a lifetime warranty. You'd be really mad if you didn't, especially for a $200 car cover. Even though they kind of seem to always be on sale, so I got it for $170 when I bought it before, and it still seems to be about the same price today. So okay, fine. They're gonna process this warranty. So we need you to pay this shipping and handling fee. So I'm thinking, oh, like what, $8? Okay, whatever, that's fine. I'm not thrilled about it because this has a lifetime warranty and it's a premium car cover and I gotta pay for shipping and handling? That's a little weird, don't you think? I think so, but all right, fine. I click on the link they sent and it automatically adds a $35 warranty charge to their website for me to process and pay. $35? For shipping and handling for a car cover? Yeah, I'm calling shenanigans on that for that. You're taking a little bit of profit back on that guy. But, okay, fine. And the only reason I didn't put up an argument with this was for the fact that if I was to go buy another car cover, even a cheaper one, have to buy one every 6 months to a year, that will cost me $100. So $35 for a new car cover every 2 years for as long as I want to have a car cover is definitely cheaper. So fine, I'll pay the $35. Still not thrilled about it. Maybe if I complained about it, they would have taken that off. I doubt it. But you never know nowadays. I'm not that person to want to complain. I just want to get it taken care of. And like I said, for $35, it's still cheaper than buying a new one. It is what it is. But the part that really threw me for a loop here was I had to pay this and then give the confirmation number that I paid this to the person in the email. So is the person I'm corresponding with a third-party company processing this claim for sealskin car covers? And they don't actually talk to each other. So I paid, I get a confirmation of order, and then I get another number, and that number I need to give in an email to this other person saying that I paid this, showing that I paid this $35 for us to continue. Fine. I did it. Get another email back. And now they're going, okay, we're going to send you a new one within 72 hours. It'll be shipped out, which I did this on the Friday, and over Veterans Day weekend, so I didn't actually get the confirmation until Tuesday morning. So coming business days, that's fine. It wasn't a big deal. It's not like I need this tomorrow. But you cannot tell me that this isn't really just convoluted in some crazy way. We could have streamlined this into 2 emails. I should have been able to put a picture right from the get-go showing this, especially if you're going to ask me for one, which you're 9 times out of 10 going to ask for that. The only other thing I could see people doing is showing it doesn't fit well when you first get the car cover, and that's why they're putting the claim in. And I'm assuming you're going to say, hey, send me a picture too for that. So why don't you ask for it beforehand? And the fact that you don't talk with whoever's processing this and that I have to go through and tell them, give them this number to show that I paid for it? What? Are they going to go back and look that number up through their system to show that I paid for it? They couldn't just look it up by my name? What? I don't know. I don't understand whatsoever. they're wrong. All this happened in 2 days. And if I had actually processed this claim early in the morning, I could have had this whole thing done within a couple hours, no problem. They were very quick, so good job on that part, SealScan. It's been about 4 days since I finished everything up with SealScan, and they told me that it was going to be shipped in. Here's a new one. Now, I'm expecting this to be exactly the same as the last one. No difference. Everything on the website shows everything's still the same. So I doubt there was any big changes here. Probably should be opening a car cover with a knife. In a bag, with a bag. Really? Okay, so I'm assuming these are all pre-packaged before they come, because I have more straps, another little nylon, whatever, metal braided cheap lock for security purposes. If you saw my previous video about that, yeah, this is a waste. Some extra string and a patch kit. I don't remember what the string is for. Otherwise, looks exactly the same. So yeah, can't complain overall. I mean, $35, I get a whole brand new cover that should last another 1.5 to 2 years. So great, good job, but it could definitely be better. What do you guys think? You think do you think it was good? Do you think paying the $35, getting this new one for the lifetime warranty was worth it? Put in the comments below. I'm curious to see what you guys have to say. And if you notice that the garage looks a little bit different since I started this video, yeah, be sure to subscribe, because I have another video that is a humongous change for my garage that is coming up, and I'm currently recording that, so I had to rearrange everything here to make this happen, so it's going to be big. But till next time, go work on your own cars. Thanks for watching. Peace.